Are you looking into embarking upon a holistic health lifestyle journey? It's not easy, but it's very doable. And I'm going to give you my 5 top tips for all you beginners. Tip number 1, you got to learn to eat and enjoy real food. What I mean by that is eating nutrient dense foods, not ultra processed foods. The foods we eat is a huge component to our health and wellness. So you want to be at least at 80% of your diet should be nutrient dense foods, high in fiber, high in protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats. Tip number 2, you gotta take care of yourself from the inside out. And what I mean by this is give yourself grace when you need to. Eat when you're hungry, rest when you're tired, play when you're bored. It makes a huge difference. Tip number 3, take it one day at a time. Every day is a new day. You got new goals, you have new opportunities. If you slip on something, it's okay. Just reset and live that day. Don't beat yourself up. Number 4, removing toxic people out of your life. Toxic people bring negative energy that it's wasted, that it doesn't bring anything positive into your life. So for me, it is absolutely necessary to remove them out of your life. Why? Because you want positive energy. You want people that inspire you, people that empower you, and that make you feel good. So removing toxic people out of your life is a must. And last tip, tip number 5, start finding joy in your life. Do things that make you laugh and smile. Like maybe start taking a dance class. Surround yourself with people that make you smile and laugh, that inspire you. Also, you can go outside and play with your dog if that brings joy to you, just like it brings to me. And you can also go for nature walks. Being out in the nature is so therapeutic, and it just brings a smile to a lot of people's faces. So I hope these 5 tips helped you embark upon a holistic lifestyle, especially for beginners. It helped me, and anything that I feel has worked for me, I want to go ahead and pass on to some of you. So if you feel this was helpful, all you got to do is like and subscribe to my channel. I can't wait to see you.